Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a PayPal account without immediate ID verification. To begin, you'll need to provide your first and last name, a valid address, and an active email address. It's also essential to have a mobile phone number for SMS verification during the sign-up process. Confirming your email is a crucial first step to activate your account and start using basic features. This initial setup is straightforward and gets you started quickly. Once your account is set up, you can start sending and receiving payments, but with certain limitations. For instance, unverified accounts typically have a cap, allowing you to send or receive up to $500 before further verification is required. While you can link a bank account or credit card to assist with some verification steps, full identity documentation is often needed to unlock higher transaction limits and access all of PayPal's features. It's important to understand that PayPal requires identity verification for several key reasons. This process helps ensure security, prevents fraud, and complies with financial regulations like anti-money laundering laws. Verification becomes mandatory when you need to increase your transaction limits, withdraw funds to your bank account, or utilize the full range of PayPal's services. Without it, your account may face restrictions or limitations on its functionality. The verification process typically involves submitting specific documents. You'll usually need a clear copy of a government-issued photo ID, such as your passport, driver's license, or national identification card. Additionally, proof of your address, like a recent utility bill or bank statement, might be requested. These documents can be uploaded securely through PayPal's Resolution Center or by following the instructions provided in your account settings to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.